Hello and welcome. Here the video is all about introduction on nucleic acid and its discovery in brief. Nucleic acid is a macromolecule with acid property and was isolated from the nucleus of cells and hence named as nucleic acid. It is made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen and phosphorus. Nucleic acids are found in all organisms such as plants, animals, bacteria, virus, fungi. They are found in the nucleus as well as in the cytoplasm. Coming to the discovery of DNA, nucleic acid was first isolated in 1868 by Frederick Mischer from the nuclei of pus cells on hospital bandages. He called it as nuclein. In 1880, Emil Fischer identified pyrimidines and purines. Cosell identified nitrogenous bases of nuclein as well as its 5 carbon sugar and phosphoric acid. Altman in 1889 gave the name nucleic acid, describing phosphorus containing nuclein. Cosell in 1910 was also awarded Nobel Prize for demonstrating the presence of two pyrimidines, that is cytosine and thymine, and two purines, adenine and guanine, in nucleic acid. Argoff in 1950 discovered the equivalence rule, which suggested that despite wide compositional variations exhibited by different types of DNA, total number of purines equaled the total number of pyrimidines, that is A plus G is equal to C plus T. Amount of adenine equaled the amount of thymine and the amount of guanine equaled the amount of cytosine. First person to give any thought of three-dimensional structure of DNA was W. T. Astbury by his X-ray crystallographic studies of DNA molecule. Rosalind Franklin demonstrated that DNA is helical structure with diameter of 20 angstrom and a pitch of about 34 angstrom. With suitable information, Watson and Crick constructed a molecular model for DNA and published in 1953 in the journal Nature. Coming to the chemical composition of DNA, nucleic acid molecule is a long chain polymer composed of monomeric units called nucleotides. Each nucleotide consists of a nucleoside and a phosphate group. Each nucleoside consists of a pentose sugar and a nitrogenous base. The sugar is ribose in case of RNA and deoxyribose in case of DNA. So this is the main difference between RNA and DNA. Nitrogenous bases are of two types, namely purine and pyrimidine. There are two main purine bases, adenine and guanine. Similarly, there are three main pyrimidine bases. They are cytosine, thymine, and uracil. Cytosine and thymine are commonly found in DNA. Cytosine and uracil is found in RNA. Next is nucleosides. A base combined with a sugar molecule is called a nucleoside. In DNA, four different nucleosides are present. They are adenosine, guanosine, cytidine, and thymidine. In RNA, deoxyribose sugar is replaced by ribose and base thymine is replaced by uracil. Nucleotides. A nucleotide is derived from a nucleoside by the addition of a molecule of phosphoric acid. The DNA contains four different types of nucleotides. They are adenyllic acid, guanylyl acid, cytidyllic acid, and thymidyllic acid. The RNA contains uracilic acid instead of thymidyllic acid. Polynucleotide. A number of nucleotide units link with one another to form a polynucleotide chain or nucleic acid. To summarize, DNA is made up of three chemical components, namely sugar, present in DNA, which is called as deoxyribose. It is a pentose sugar which contains 5 carbon atoms. It contains one oxygen atom, less than the ribose sugar. At carbon number 2 of deoxyribose is present a HCH group, but in ribose sugar, the second carbon atom contains HCOH group. Phosphoric acid links consecutive nucleotides by joining their pentose sugar with the phosphate diester bond. This bond links carbon 5 in one nucleoside with carbon 3 in next nucleoside. Nitrogenous bases. These are the nitrogen containing organic compounds. They are two types, purines and pyrimidines. Purines are two-ring nitrogen compounds. They are of two types, namely adenine and guanine. Pyrimidine, these are single ring nitrogen compounds. They are of two types, namely thymidine and cytosine. So here you can find few of the references which I have referred. Then this video is mainly on DNA, but there is comparative studies of RNA as well. And thanks a lot.